Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to recover your lost Snapchat streaks if they go away on you. It's actually quite simple to do. You just have to put a request in through Snapchat support system, and they will either approve you or disapprove your request to get back your Snapchat streaks. It's really simple. So it's not in the Snapchat app. You actually want to exit out of the Snapchat app and go onto the web browser. And then you just want to go to support.snapchat.com, and it's going to load up here. This is Snapchat's official support website. And then you want to go to contact us, that orange button right here. And then under it says, what can we help you with? You want to click on my snap streaks disappeared. And then it says, sorry to hear that you're having issues with snap streaks. To get your snap streak going, you and your friend must both snap, not chat, for 24 hours. Please complete the form below to review, so they can review your snap streak request. So it's really easy. You just want to make sure that everything you put in here is accurate. So it says this username. So I'll put mine. Now you have to put the actual email that you used to create the Snapchat and the mobile number. It's really important that it's the exact ones that you used to sign up with. So if you aren't 100% sure, you could head back over to your Snapchat app and just go to the settings, and you'll be able to see what you signed up with, just to be on the safe side. So you'll have the information right here. I'm just going to blur mine out, but just make sure that you put this information back in when you do go through this. So I'll just put my information here. I'll just put test for now. So like I said, just make sure you put everything accurate or else it won't work. Device, make sure you put your device that you use the most. So if you switch devices, just make sure you use the device that you use more often. One friend's username that you lost the streak with would be very, very helpful. Just make it easier for them to process the information. And then it wants to know when you started having the issue. So whenever the snap streak went away, so make it easier for them to find. How long was the snap streak before it expired? Did you see the time icon? And then if you can add as much more detail as possible, it'll make it a lot more helpful and a lot more likely that you'll get your snap streak back. But yeah, guys, that's really, really easy to do. Once you put this request in, it usually takes about 24-ish hours, and you will get the reply probably in your email, or you'll just go on Snapchat and notice that you have your streak back. I really hope I was able to help with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.